Yo TikTok fam, ever run out of room in your car and wish you had more space? Meet my best travel buddy, the Mockins Folding Cargo Carrier. Last weekend, I took it on a camping trip, and wow, did it save me? It's totally waterproof, so all my gear stayed dry, even in the rain. Plus, it folds up super sleek when I don't need it. Imagine heading to the beach, mountains, or even just moving furniture. This thing holds up to 500 labs. Crazy, right? And those black straps and bungee net kept everything secure. Even my kayak. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Ready to elevate your adventure setup? Use Google Lens to scan the URL above, tap on the search bar, and press search to buy it today. P.S. Now you've unlocked the Google Lens secret, freedom from link constraints. If you found this useful, please like, comment, and share.